Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide product category by user in WooCommerce WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write hide category by user role for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see hide category by user role for WooCommerce, so click on it. Now you see multiple tab, hide by category, hide by user role setting, and then you see we have all these categories. Now you see candles, ceramics. Now click on it. Now you see hide for, you see roles. So this is our users: administrator, author, contributor, customer, editor, guest. Now you see hide for administrator. So we are going to hide ceramic for administrator. Now select. Now you see hidden for one role and then click on save changes. Now you see your rules were successfully saved. Now you see hide by user role, so click on it. Now you see administrator, author, contributor. So one hidden category for administrator. Now go to settings, so click on it. Now you see redirect mode, custom URL. So you can add redirect URL. So we added our home page link. Now you see advanced settings, so click on it. Now you see import export. Now click on save changes. So when admin try to open ceramic product category, then redirect to home page. Now settings saved. Now go to ceramic category. Now you see, so we are in product category ceramic. Now refresh the page. Now you see ceramic product category not open and redirect to home page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.